Hi. Hello guys. Surprise, I'm in another country again. Did you expect any less? We are in Barcelona, Spain. Right now, we're walking to the Arc of something. Arc de Triumph? I don't know. Everyone here is kind of frisky with walking. But yes, we got in last night. We got ready for the morning. We're here, we're starting our day. And yeah, our plan is very loose and we're taking it as we go. And she's pretty. Smile. Oh, I was like, where are you?
I'm over here.
Oh, it's sunny.
Yeah, it is. Oh, I forgot my sunglasses.
So, we're at Park Güell. Surprisingly, it's a little less than you assume. I think people's pictures hype it up because it's the one area that like, these are bathrooms. So it's that tiny area down there with all the pretty benches that everyone's obsessed with. So yeah, so we're just gonna like walk around here and look and stuff because we did not know tickets would be sold out by 10 a.m. So Park Güell. Wow.
You can see the sailboat.
We just keep going up and up and up and getting an even better view. Oh my god, that's like a hill. I didn't even notice that. So we're just doing a little bit of browsing. We're in the store called sagrada or something like that. Did buy something. It's so cute. Okay, I had to. I couldn't help myself. I'm a shopaholic. I have a problem. But then we're gonna go look for some food because we're getting hungry. It's actually noon. Time has been going by like decently quick. I don't know if it's because of the long bus rides or what, but Kelsey's checking out. Now she also bought something. There are just so many birds in the square. They're everywhere. So we're at lunch. Ooh, we both got some veggie burgers and we're about to dive in. Bottoms up. I like that. We're about to go down a slide to go into Sephora.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh my god, I'm really scared.
I'll see you at the bottom.
Oh my god.
There we go. That was amazing. I can't believe it. I'm so glad you made me go in. So we have come to the Big Fun Museum. Is this we're at the Big Fun Museum. The dry pool.
Yeah.
We made it to the ball pit. First of 5. Get in there. Go. This is weird. That's cute.
My feet are right there.
We're now in the Sweets Museum. Oh, it's so cute everywhere. This is cool. The lighting also over here is bomb. We're in the topsy-turvy one now. Everything is upside down. Okay, but I really like this tile though. Hi guys. We're going into a ribbon maze. Give me your other hand.
Thank you.
Because my vlog can. This? Ah, this is terrifying. Thank God you're leading the way. Smile. Fun footage. Do you love how I'm making you do all the work? So we've arrived at the Sagrada Familia. Ooh, she is so freaking big and massive. So it's a cathedral, and it's so big and it's really beautiful on the inside. We're here a little early, but we're gonna have some gelato, some downtime before we go in for our time. It's been a pretty like chill day. This was something that Kelsey's sister recommended that we do above some other things, so we're going to do that. But like I said, again, gelato first. We love gelato. I wasn't lying. Got gelato. It's really good too, from this really cute place near the cathedral. Good morning, guys. Second day, also last day in Barcelona. Good morning. We're in the grocery store getting like snacks and stuff for like a cheaper-ish kind of like lunch deal, and the chips are just like so funny. Like these Cheetos are weird looking. They have a cheese onion flavored Lay's, which also it's Lay's here in London. It's called Walker. So yeah, we're just trying to like pick out a few like stuff to like eat for the day, and then, you know, save a little coin. So we got the grocery goods. We're gonna take a nice leisurely stroll, no rushing today, to the beach. We've got a lot of time. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. The sun is shining today, as you can see on my beautiful face. Made it to the beach. It's seriously a beautiful sunny day. Only like a slight breeze. It could be a little warmer. The sand is a little chilly on my toes, I'm not gonna lie. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Sangria for 2. It's happy hour somewhere, so we heard the sangria. We heard the sangria is really good in Spain, so of course we had to dip in. Cute. I like it, it's good. We are on to sangria pitcher number 2. This is living the life for sure. Yeah. It's very, very full. Here's to really freaking good sangria. It looks so good. Kelsey got paella. She's getting a pic of it. And I got pasta. I was gonna get paella, but they only had one vegetable option, and I was like, looks kind of sad. How is it? Hot. I could imagine. Also, the sangria is really strong, so we're getting like drunk.